How's it going, y'all? T-Case here at Case Motor Speedway for some more slot car fun. Recently I went home to Atlanta and visited my family and got to do something I haven't done since before I got my driver's license, which was ask my dad very nicely to please drive me 45 minutes away to the hobby store so I could look at some slot cars. My dad and I used to do remote control airplanes back in the day, and there was never a close by hobby shop, so it was always a long trek to get out there. And same hobby shop, but it moved locations and was still far away, so we got in the car and headed out there, and I told him I can only get one slot car. I only have room for one in my suitcase. But I was thinking about Carrera digital cars, which come in kind of a big case. And when we got there, they had Scalextric and POLICAR, and those come in much smaller cases. So I made sure he understood. I had originally said I can only get one, but now I can definitely get two. And the two that I ended up getting was this POLICAR Subaru BRZ and this beautiful Scalextric GT3 Mercedes AMG. Today we're going to be opening up the POLICAR and running it around the track. And the main reason I got this POLICAR is because I drive a Scion FRS, which is the same thing as a Subaru BRZ. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to have my daily driver as one of the cars that I have in slot cars. And my car's a copper color. This one's more of a gold metallic, so pretty similar. And then when I was at the airport, I happened to see Massimo from MP Slot Car Space was auctioning off a few of his cars. So I ended up buying two more cars from Massimo, and they came this week. The first one, oh man, this is so cool. It's this NSR in the camel. Really pumped about this one. And the next one is the F2004 number 2 Ferrari from Scalextric. Very cool. So today we're gonna do the POLICAR, but if y'all could let me know in the comments which one you would like to see next after the POLICAR, I would greatly appreciate it. It'll be between the AMG, which is digital, and then the two analogs, the NSR Camel and the Scalextric's Ferrari. So let me know in the comments which one you want to see next. I also, from Massimo at MP Slot Car Space, if you guys haven't checked out his channel, please do so, because it's awesome. I won a giveaway of this awesome billboard with MP Slot Car's logo. And I plan on putting this together at some point. It'll be my first bit of scenery for my layout. So let me know if you want to see this before you see one of the other cars, or if I should wait till after I'm done reviewing all the cars to do the billboard. So let's get this one out of the box real quick. And also, these are all my first cars that aren't Carrera. So I was really excited to start branching out and trying new cars. And here we have it. So your basic stuff, inline motor, got a magnet strip there, got your guides. Looks just like a BRZ. And if you're not familiar, these are a great, fun, not fast, but fun car to drive. They come in a 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. And I've had mine for a while now, and I absolutely love it. So really excited to see this one go around the track. And you might be asking yourself, you have Carrera Digital, how are you gonna run these analog cars around your track? Well, luckily I came across a full set of Carrera Evolution on OfferUp for $50. Came with two cars, the full set, all the rails. And that's how I was able to make Case Motor Speedway what it is today with those extra pieces. So all I have to do is swap out the main power unit and can now run analog. So a real quick, easy switch. If you are running digital and you're not sure what to do with analog, a lot of times you can find Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, a used set of Carrera Evolution, and then boom, you're able to switch back and forth fairly easily without having to buy a bunch of extra stuff to go from analog to digital. So we'll head over to the track, get this one on there, and see how it does. Now we're over here at the track, and I could not, for the life of me, get these screws to unscrew. I tried all 4 screws and they would not budge at all. So couldn't take the body off to inspect underneath, but as you can see here, really pretty car. It's got the braids, spread those out a little bit so they get some good contact, and we'll see how it goes around the track. And if you look, you'll notice I have the Carrera Evolution power unit in place so we can run the analog. Got a total of 32 seconds with a fastest time of 5.07. Definitely noticed the tires are definitely grippier than an out-of-the-box Carrera set of tires. So yeah, pretty cool to take the BRZ around the track, pretending like I'm driving my daily here at Case Motor Speedway. All right, so 5.07 was the fastest lap around here. And a couple things to note, I could not get these screws off. You got 4 in the back, 4 in the front. Couldn't unscrew them to get in there, to apply any oil, to loosen the chassis. So if you got any tips on how to get these tiny screws out, please let me know in the comments. And let me know what you think about these POLICARs. They make a bunch of different colors of this car. If you have one, let me know what you think about it. And then also, please remember to let me know which car you'd like to see next, whether that's the Ferrari, or you got the Camel, or the AMG. So yeah, let me know. Hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. And here's a quick picture of my Scion FRS.